Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. It's time for my September monthly, and I'm going to do something a little bit different this month. I don't know how it's going to look, but I think it'll be cool. Let's try it. I have these 𝘠𝘗 markers that, whoa, don't pay attention to this. That was part of my currently page. I just filmed that at the same time. So if you didn't see that yet, that's a sneak peek. Anyway, I have these 𝘠𝘗 markers. They're really good. I have a whole box of them. And if you didn't see that flip through, not the flip through, that unboxing and like review of these markers a couple months ago, you can check that out. These are great. I love them. You get so many of them. And I picked 4 colors that I think are fall colors. It goes nicely together. So I'm going to go ahead and do something I've never done, and that is go around each of the boxes in a different color throughout the entire spread. That would mean that I'm not going to have any stickers in the middle of the spread, I don't think, or I might just have minimal stickers. So we're going to go ahead and start. We are going to start with an orange. Now, the only thing about these markers is the color that you see on here isn't always the color of the marker. That can bug some people, so if that's something that bugs you, don't get these. But once I know what they are, and I always test them first anyway, like I did a little test before to check out the colors. Once I know what they are, it's fine. But I'm going to go ahead and do this. So these are brush pens on the one side, and they're very fine tip pen on the other side, but I'm using the brush side. And you don't always have to use brush side for brush writing. You can use it for whatever. I use them all the time for other things. So the first box, orange. Now we're going to go, let's see, green maybe? Yeah, let's do green next. And here's this one. Now look at the difference in the color. See, it's not the same as the cap, but that's okay with me. And these are going to look a little bit doodly. They're not going to be totally perfect. Like that one's pretty perfect, that one isn't, and that's okay. So then we'll go yellow, and I know this doesn't look yellow. It looks brown, but it actually is yellow. You see? Sometimes that's how it is. Now we'll do the brown. Some of these days will have holidays on them, so I think I'm just going to do this. Or maybe I'll just go right over it. You're still going to be able to see it. I'm going to wait and see. Let me see. I'm going to go right over it. And you know what? Then I'm going to put, so that says Labor Day. I'm going to put a Labor Day sticker on there anyway. And brown is the darkest one that I'm going to have. So the rest you'll be able to see through. So I'm going to speed this up and just go through and do all of these like that. And then I'll come back and we'll see what else we can do here. Okay, I think that looks really cool, and that's something that you guys can do if you don't have a lot of stickers, just to decorate your monthly. I think that's fun if you pick the colors of the season or the colors of a particular holiday. It's also good to save on stickers. I know I draw boxes sometimes, but this time I just decided to draw boxes in every single box, and I think it's pretty neat. So we're going to sticker it up over here, and we'll put something here as well. But first, let me just write in my plans for the month. All right, the first thing I have is my friend Cheryl's birthday on the 10th. And then the 13th, I have a Patreon Zoom. And what that means is on my Patreon, we have Zoom calls once a month where we just kind of hang out. Sometimes we play games. Sometimes we just hang out and talk. And that is at 8 o'clock. Okay. My friend Marielle's birthday is on the 19th. My dad's birthday is on the 22nd. My birthday is on the 23rd. I'm going to be 56, which feels ridiculous. I'm not crazy about that number, but that's okay. I'll take what I can get. As long as I keep getting older, that's fine with me, because you know what? Age is a number and it's a privilege to grow old. So I'll take all the birthdays. I want to grow really, really old. Okay, so that's the 23rd. And then the 24th, we have a Patreon live stream. The Zoom call is for my $15 and up patrons, but all of my patrons get to do the live streams, and I give away the spread that I make during them. Sometimes it's a Q&A, but it's usually a plan with me, and somebody who attends wins it. So they're really fun. And we alternate between big and classic. This one is a big plan with me, so I'm just going to write that down. And then that is, I don't have the time yet for that because I just decided to do one on a Sunday. They're usually during the week, but I'm going to wait to put the time in. And the 26th, I have the groomer for Bumble. And that's at 9 o'clock. Also on the 26th, I have therapy. And I don't just have therapy once a month. I do 2 kinds of therapy now. I do BetterHelp every week. And then once every 2 weeks, I have this somatic therapist that I go out to and see, but she's on vacation. So I'm only going to do it once in September. And that is at 2:30. And then on the 27th, I have a haircut and color. Usually every 2 months I get like my roots done, but then every 3 times or every other time, I guess it's every other time I guess it's every 4 months I get like the whole shebang with like highlights and everything. So that is on the 27th, and I forget I did not write down the time. I'm going to wait to fill that in. And then, did I forget anything? I have estimated taxes I have to pay on the 13th, but I'm not going to write them here because that's depressing. I have it set on my phone as a reminder. Okay, that's everything I have. Now, we can put a couple of little stickers in some of the squares for fun, but first, let's do the sidebar here. So you're going to see me use this sticker book a lot in the fall. I will link it for you. You can use code BUMBLE10 for 10% off. Great sticker book from Live Love Posh. I love her sticker books, and I love having like a really big fall sticker book. This is a double size. So I just thought I'd use some of these big leaves down the page, and maybe not the red ones though. I only have 1 page of them though, because the red ones aren't going to match anything on here. I kind of want to stick to these colors. I need my tweezers. Here they are. These are EK Success tweezers. These are great for picking up stickers off the page. I don't know about you, but I have a problem, especially with gel nails. It gets really tricky. You white out this note here. Cut those pieces off. And now we have a cute little leaf section on the side. I think what I'm going to do though, to make it more interesting, is throw some fall stickers in between, like scarves or like pumpkins or something. So let's see what we can do. I have the Wrong Amber Allure sticker book, which I could use for that. Let me just double check here and see what's here. Yeah, I kind of think I want to use the 𝘮𝘮 sticker book. This is also a fall sticker book. Love this one. It is so cozy and warm. Lots of cute stickers in here. So I thought I would just throw a couple of things like, I don't know, cozy socks. How about that? And put them like among the leaves. And then like some books. And maybe like a sweater or something, some envelopes. How about this sweater, this sweatshirt or whatever it is? Sweater. Because that's like the same colors. And we have this little tied thing of cinnamon sticks. That's really cute. Maybe pair that with a pumpkin or a coffee. I used this on my September Currently page, and actually I used these, and I can use more of these for this to kind of match that page. That would be sort of fun, but candle maybe, because these two kind of match. I don't know about the orange with the orange. Maybe this candle in the book. I don't love that because you can see through it, but at the same time, does it matter? Maybe, maybe it matters. I could pull this up and like white this out or pull this off. I feel like I don't want to pull it off, but maybe I should. Oh, on top of it's better. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Let's cut these off. Non-stick scissors are great, but then the sticker parts, they fall on your desk and you need to have something to catch them, and I never do. So then they stick to my desk or my floor, and then I have a hard time getting them off. So it's either stick to the scissors or stick to the desk. I don't know which is worse, but both of them are not good. Okay. That's really cute. So we could take like some of these and make stripes up here. That would be fun. I don't know. That's kind of dark, isn't it? We could do stripes at the top. What I think would be good is like a big quote here. There's some books. That's really bold. And here there's some fall quotes. Let's look at those. I think they're in the back. But they're kind of small and I wanted a bigger one. I might have to go into my Happy Planner books maybe. Let me look in a Happy Planner book. I have the Mega Seasonal sticker book here, and this is great. I always forget to use it, but there's this Hello Fall, and that would kind of fit there, I think. It might be a little big. Let's see. It's a little bit big, but not too bad. This is a cute sticker book. Let's do it. Oh, I should have moved it over a little more. That's okay. I feel like there's dark brown over here and there's not over here, but I don't know that that's bad. Again, we could add some stickers to the little boxes. Why don't we do that? Just a couple. I don't need a lot. I don't want to busy it up too much because I'm really liking the way it looks right now. It's definitely different, and different is good in my opinion. So maybe we just add a couple leaves, or we could add a pumpkin spice somewhere, right? Mostly on this side, I think. I mean, maybe one on there, but we'll add like a pumpkin spice to the last day of the month. I might put some balloons on my birthday, but not necessarily. How about a pumpkin cupcake? I don't know. Pumpkin pie feels more like Thanksgiving. So I don't really want to go that far in September, right? It's just beginning of fall. Some of these little ones. Like a little sweater maybe. Maybe that would solve the brown problem by putting it over here somewhere. A lot of these are repeats from what I put over there, so I don't necessarily want to do that. I am going to grab this cupcake, why not? Put it there. We'll do a candle on one of the days. There's a lot of orange up there if I do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. It's cute. Maybe some leaves. I should have maybe done these evenly, like boop, 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 but I don't really like the even look that much, so I sort of like it when it's more sporadic, but then I run into this issue where I'm like, where do I put it? A leaf belongs on this side for sure. I guess we'll put it down there. I guess we're going for this pumpkin spice drink. Now I'm stuck. I should have put, I guess I'll just put it here. And what else? We're almost done. This was a pretty quick one for a monthly for me. I usually take a long time on my monthlies, as we know. Last month I tried to do it really quick, failed miserably, but this is quicker than normal. Now here's some little leaves. Okay, I think that's good. I think it's super cute and it's very festive for the first, wait, this is the first day of fall. I need to write that down. Whoops. I need to write that down at least. I was going to write the other things down, but actually I'll put Labor Day because that's important to remember. Wait, I thought autumn began on the 23rd. I put that in one of my videos recently. Uh-oh. Why does it say the 22nd here? Now I have to look it up. Okay, so I was right and Happy Planner is wrong. Fall is the 23rd. At least that's what Google says. Because I remember thinking, oh, it's on my birthday. Wait, let me look one more place. Sorry, this moved over. Sorry about that. Anyway, I wrote in first day of fall here. I am right. Happy Planner is wrong. Imagine that. I can't believe it. I thought it was September 23rd. So yeah, at least according to Google and all places I searched on Google, first day of fall is the 23rd. So this is wrong. But exciting that it's on my birthday. So that's good. Anyway, I hope you like the spread. I really like it. I think it's fun and different. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope it gave you some ideas. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.